Hello everybody, and I'm back. So today I'll be explaining and showing you my code of the 2018 CCC Junior Question 2 Occupy Parking. So for example, you supervise a small parking lot that has n parking spaces. Yesterday, you recorded which parking spaces were occupied and which were empty. Today, you recorded the exact same information. How many parking spaces were occupied both yesterday and today? So, the first line of the integer n would be here. So in the sample input 1, it's 5. So and then the second and third lines contain n letters each. In this case, it's also 5. So we're trying to figure out the number of them were occupied yesterday and today. So we're gonna calculate, basically read these lines, and if it's a C, then it's a full one, and if it's a period, then it's empty. And you're gonna print out again, said many times, the parking spaces which were occupied yesterday and today. So let me go to my code. Okay, so here's my code. So the n is right over here, and then yesterday, which is over here, and then they're both going to be and today is also here. Yesterday and today are going to be inputs that aren't integers, but n is an integer. So the output is going to start off with a 0. For I range the integer, the n, the I would start at 0. If yesterday's I is the same as today's I, and today's I is equal to C, you could also put this at yesterday if you want. Then the output will plus equal 1, and then we will print the output. So the output would be cc.cc, well, by first, and then cc.c, then .cc.c. I mean dot. So this would give us a 1 because this is the only part that is actually the same. So, yep, it was a 1. But then we have the other one, 7. First, it's all C's, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then C.C, it's like rotating between the C. Okay, this would give us a 4 because now there are 4 places. Over here, over here, over here, and over here. So that would probably give us the answer of 4. And that's correct. Yeah, and that's the end. Bye.